Hello everyone. Welcome you all to today's day 5 live. Are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You can use a chat box to communicate with me. You can use a chat box to communicate with me. Okay, great. So I'm audible. So we'll wait till 6 o'clock sharp and then we'll get into. If you want to on the video, for now you can on, and then maybe you can switch off the video. Kalpana, welcome. Varalakshmi, Monica, Ramya, Dhanashri, Rekha, Ilavarasi, Meena, Divyalakshmi and Priya. Welcome you all. Deepika, welcome you all.
Hi ma'am, good evening. Kalpana join.
Hi, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're audible, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, great. How are you, Kalpana? How are you? Hi, Kalpana. How are you?
Hi ma'am. Yeah, you remember me. I'm good,
Yeah,
ma'am. How are you?
great. Yeah, great, great, great.
Yeah.
So now you're pregnant, no?
Great that I found you at last.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, great, great. We'll wait for another 7 minutes and we'll start.
Okay.
Sure.
15 of you have come, so we'll wait.
Hi, I'm Guha here. Guha here.
Yeah. Who's it? 1 minute. Let me stop sharing. Yes. Guha Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi. How are you?
Good, good. How are
Great.
you?
Great. Thanks.
I am with
So
my
then.
kid, so can't able to. I'm with my kid now.
Okay.
So
No
that's it.
problem. No problem. Just you can mute and hear. No problem.
He just scream sometimes.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem.
So
You asked a question about baby growth, right? I'll address it
yeah.
after the call. So yes,
Okay.
until 5.5 to 6 months, don't start anything. Breast milk is more than sufficient for the baby. Okay,
Okay.
baby's gut is not mature, so even elders ask us to give ragi cool or something like that. No, don't start anything till 5.5 or 6. I start. Hi, who's that? Hi. I think a baby is talking. Hi. So till 5.5 to 6 months, don't start anything because the gut is so immature, and the pharynx and the larynx, the whole apparatus is very immature. So once
Okay.
we start, there is a chance of aspiration. There's a chance of loose stools going on. There are a lot of issues like that. So don't start until 4.5 or 6. About weight gain, I'll message you. Okay, we'll talk.
Okay, ma'am.
It's all a bit very big topics.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I just
And
put another message.
one more thing, ma'am,
Yeah.
about my periods. It's been 4 to 4.5 months now,
Mm-hmm.
almost near to 5.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't got menstrual cycle,
That's not
so
normal only. I'll talk about that
is
also.
that
Everything we'll cover,
okay,
okay?
ma'am? Okay, okay.
Actually, 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, we'll start. Welcome, all of you. We'll start another 6 minutes. Let some more also come. I think Soumya, Shirley, Smiley, Dr. Mancha. Hello, Dr. Mancha. I think we spoke personally. Hello, Dr. Mancha. Siva Janani, Galaxy M21.
My headphone on my ida.
Swati Lakshmi. Hello, hi. Hi. Welcome.
I'm asking for headphones. Please wait.
I'll be once we start. I'll mute everybody so that we'll go on with the presentation. Just 5 more minutes. We'll start. How many of you have? This is the second pregnancy. How many of you are in the second pregnancy and not a primary? Just the message in the chat box. How many of you are in the second pregnancy? I think Guhapriya is in the second pregnancy. Other than, oh no, I think she's postpartum mother. Other than that, who's in the second pregnancy?
Mom, it's first pregnancy for me.
Okay, everybody. Okay, Guhapriya, okay. Oh, Guhapriya, you're pregnant now.
No, it's
You're having a baby. Okay, you're postpartum. Okay, how many of you are in second pregnancy? Everybody are in first pregnancy. Okay. So nobody has a kid to disturb. Okay. Hello, Mahalakshmi. Hi.
Kalpana in second pregnancy.
Kalpana is here. Kalpana, I remember. Kalpana, only Kalpana is in second pregnancy. Okay. Second pregnancy is quite challenging because we have to take care of the first kid and we can't just relax like the first pregnancy. So it is quite, challenging. It was challenging for me. Hi, Janni. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Actually, till 21st week, I feel some pain.
Okay.
But after 22nd week, I did not feel any pain and any movement, ma'am.
Yeah, you've been telling about that, no? Just if you're very concerning, it's very concerning. Just check with your doctor once. If it's very concerning and you feel the movements are very less, you please check with the doctor. One of you messaged, no, something that you didn't have movements. I told morning who's that? Gautami. Gautami is here. Gautami is here.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, how's your movements?
Yeah, today
Better. You can message in the chat box.
I was able to feel, but not very much. Identity. I got a little panic because I couldn't feel anything very distinct.
Okay. Okay. Now I think 2 more minutes will start. 29 of you are here. We'll keep all the questions in the end. We'll go with the content and also I have a hypnobirthing meditation for you. The whole program I've planned so that all of you have a very calm delivery. So that is the ultimate purpose because when I even had my second son and when I was delivering, I had huge pains and I didn't know hypnobirthing then. But now when I teach hypnobirthing to my mothers, it's so cool and most of them are able to take it very well. But even if your labor is long, your labor is very long, then you might need an epidural because the pains are going to be for a very long time. But if you feel you can cope up with hypnobirthing, that will be wonderful. Okay. So
Okay, I'm not actually I'm not pregnant. I'm Swati here.
okay. Okay, come on, Swati, come on.
Shanti.
Yes, I'm not pregnant, but I'm in the
Shanti,
post delivery of 2 months. No, I have having a kid. I just can I stay back here in the room or I have to leave now?
Yeah, you can. There's no, you can stay in the room.
Okay.
There is a
Okay.
content
Okay.
for you
Thank you.
also. You can just check.
Yeah. Thank
No,
you.
I'm
I
not
had
a
my
child.
14 hours
I'm
of
a
labor
mother.
and went for emergency C-section.
Okay, fine. Okay, it happens. It happens.
Sorry.
I'll address all that.
Yes. Yes. He is my kutti actually.
Yeah.
Hello, Cheppu. Hello, Cheppu.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Cheppu.
Sure, okay.
Okay. Okay, wonderful. Okay. Now we'll go on. I just mute all of you because there's sound coming inside. I'll mute all allow participants. So I put all of you on mute so that there is no, there's no disturbance while doing presentation. So Ati, you can be here. I have a content for postpartum mothers also. You can just look into it. You can just look into and see what suits you. So I think it's 6 o'clock. So we'll start. 32 of you are here. We'll have a wonderful time. So from 6 to 7 p.m. we'll talk about the pregnancy boot camp and what we are going to follow. Okay, I welcome you all again. So before we proceed, I just have a few disclaimers. I'll finish it fast. Okay, I want you to engage in the chat box. If you have anything, you can engage. Q&As related to pregnancy and stuff, we'll keep it at the end. And then we'll talk about hypnobirthing techniques, which is what we are mainly focusing on. And I'll give you an invitation to Happy Moms community. And then we'll take the question answers regarding to what we're going to deliver. Okay. So just a recap, if all of you watched the content, did all of you watch? Did all of you watch the content? Yes, all of you? Okay, yes. So most of you watched. Yes, okay. So now I just put into a nutshell of what we learned on day one. Okay, so day one, we learned about connection and connecting with your baby and your husband. That I think most of you found it very, very interesting. Connection with the baby and the husband. This are all been there since very long time, because connection, meditation, has been there for a very long time. But it's all coming up now. Okay, it's coming up as blooming, I should say, because a lot of studies are going on thought process, on mind, and there is absolute scientific evidence behind all this. Okay, because I didn't believe it when I was doing in my second pregnancy or in my first pregnancy. When somebody says a ball of light is coming and roll on you and is going all over your body and just relax, I just took it for fun. Okay, I found it very, very funny. But now, as I understood that there are proven scientific evidences and studies behind this, now I ultimately I endorse all that. Okay, so now what is the base for any pregnancy is getting your relationships right. Okay, that is what is the base of any pregnancy or any women or any whatever you want to take it forward. The base is all setting your relationships right. So that's why we talk about that. So, and I think all of you would have loved connecting with your baby. And as I say, partner meditation works 100% for me. Okay, so if you're in a tough tug of war, or you have a difficult time between you and your husband, and you really connect back, and you have arguments. Usually in life, when you're going to a next step, right? We are going from step A to step B. There will be always arguments. There can be arguments between you and your partner because two persons are from different schools of thought. Okay, so how can you pull back your husband? How can you pull back your the most loved person on earth? Is by connection, is by meditation. Okay, this works 100% for me. I would say this is guaranteed. If somebody would say this doesn't work, then I can pull them off, sit them and shake them and say it works. Okay, so, and also remember, we shouldn't manipulate them. Okay, even meditation or even thought processes can manipulate a person based upon our wishes, but that is not healthy. What I would suggest is be self-aware and accept what they want, what they are. Okay, so on day 2, I think a lot of questions on bleeding, on vaginal health and fetal movements. I'll make an FAQ video on frequently asked questions and I'll post it there. Okay. On day 3, I think all of you visualized your birth plan and you found it very interesting. I got a lot of reviews on that. And also on day 4, the yoga, I think how many of you follow Lara Datta Yoga? How many have been already following it? Can I have it in the chat box? How many of you are already following Lara Datta, or you're starting to follow? How many of you are starting to follow? Okay, you're following. Mansha, yeah, Mansha told me she's already picked. I started, it was good. Okay, started to follow. Great. Okay. So the most important thing about Lara Datta's video is it is so soothing, man. It is so soothing, and you really find it very, 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 very calming. Okay, that's what I find it very interesting in her videos, and it is so like it will be just like a beginner. Okay, it is just like a beginner that you can just follow it and just go through it. Okay, so Lara Datta is wonderful. I wish you all follow it. Okay, now you're going to start. Why did I start this pregnancy and parenting boot camp? I also have a parenting boot camp. So after I finished fertility certification, one thing stuck in my mind. Okay, so when I did my fertility certification, what was very alarming was there is a decline in fertility reserve in women. Women started losing their fertility potential. Like the number of eggs, we call it as ovarian reserve, it is decreasing. I don't know why, there's no studies backing up, but then the reason is it's because of maybe because of the lifestyle, because of the stress, or because of the pesticides everywhere. Land is polluted, air is polluted, food is polluted, everything is polluted, water is polluted, everything is polluted. So I think it impacts on the women and it causes decreased reserve. So when we get back into see what it is, then we see ethics. I see there is with men or human, we are lacking in ethics. So I thought, how can we fix it? Then I thought the only strategy where we can fix ethics is by doing right parenting. Parenting can take us leaps and bounds. Okay, right parenting, right modeling, right connection, uh, right sending information right across the children by modeling right can take humans into evolution into leaps and bounds. Okay, so even as I've told you, I failed being a parent. I modeled wrong. I was a very anxious person. I was a very yelling person. And then I stood down. After I finished my fertility certification, I sat down. No, this is not the life I want. I sat down. I sat with my kids and relationships and started working on it. I did introspection. I did transformation. And now I'm so happy for the person what I am. So I thought I should spread the message, and I started a 21-day, I started a 30-day parenting challenge, a WhatsApp group, where it is for 30 days. It's for parents and parents of toddlers of 0 to 10 years. And it is for 30 days, and every day I send a content and they follow it. And at last we end with a sex education class. It's totally free. So I think Kalpana can join because she's already a kid. This is totally free. I haven't charged anything for this group. When I was thinking, why am I doing parenting workshop? Because nowhere I'm related to parenting, but it has got beautiful shape and people are loving it, and they love the authenticity in the group. So I thought, when we can do parenting, pregnancy is my core passion. I am a gynecologist, so why not do for pregnancy? And that's how I started for pregnancy, because I thought when we are teaching to establish connection after the child is born, why not start it when the child is inside? No? So that stuck my mind, and I started pregnancy. This is the first batch. You're all the first batch. I didn't expect such an overwhelming response. I thought maybe 20, 30 would join, and maybe I can coach them and have a happy time with them. But then the response is amazing. So I thought I'm giving more and more. That's how it started. And one more, what always is in my mind, since social media evolution and things like that, what is always in my mind is that pregnant women really have struggled with strategies to get into normal delivery, because I say my mothers to exercise, but then something is backing up. Okay, something is backing them up and they're not doing it right. And also social media projects that normal delivery is a perfect delivery. Okay, okay? Because I had two beautiful deliveries, but I never take the analogy as the normal delivery as the perfect delivery, because every birth experience is a positive birth experience. Perfectness depends on ourselves. Maybe it is even giving normal delivery might not be a perfect one for one. What they do is they say normal delivery is the norm, and then they do healing for cesarean section, which I find very, very funny, because healthcare professionals are doing a phenomenal job everywhere, especially in India, especially in government setups, especially they do a phenomenal job in taking care of the patients. You know, I would vouch for the government setup, because the amount of work each postgraduate or each CRRA or each assistant professor anybody puts is beyond what they can earn. Okay, it's beyond what they can earn. It is just not for money. The people working in government setup, especially all the healthcare professionals, mainly doctors and allied professionals, do not work for money. There is something which keeps the connect into them and help patients. Okay, so when I thought, this always puts me down when somebody always bashes doctors for doing cesarean section or doing something, it always puts me down. So then I thought maybe I should bring the awareness out. I should talk a lot and coach people, and that's how it's all started. Okay. Now, so now after that, what is the ultimate program of this whole is to give a positive birth experience. Okay. So I want all of you to have, somebody has raised a hand. I just check. You're not getting the audio. How many of you are not getting the audio? Okay, Galaxy can hear. I think it's a connection with your setup. Please check Kritika and Galaxy 7. Okay, Galaxy 7 can hear. Okay, we can hear. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you very much. So again, I'll start. Okay, so I want you all to have a positive birth experience rather than a perfect birth experience. Like, aiming for normal delivery is absolutely brilliant. Okay, I want every one of you to have a very calm and a very smooth delivery, but that doesn't happen. Okay, because 30% of the women, according to WHO, have C-section. India is higher; it's 40 to 45%. I want all of you to have a smooth vaginal delivery, which you can aim for, which you can really, once you start labor pains and you're very calm and there are surges and there are contractions, it is a natural process. It will deliver. But if you're very anxious, I know mothers kicking, I know mothers shouting, I know mothers losing patience when we have labor pains. Everybody, even I was petrified, the pain was horrendous, So if you're prepared for that, if you're prepared to tackle the labor pains by doing meditation, all that, you can definitely tie through it smoothly. Okay. So when I was working as a fertility, when I was doing fertility certification in Rao Hospital, Coimbatore, Asha Rao madam used to say, whenever pregnant patients comes to her, she just says, she just coughed out 2 babies. She just breathed out 2 babies. That's what she tells. So I want you to have such an experience so that I can tell someone she breathed out 2 babies or she coughed out 2 babies, something like that. It is doable. It is not a big exercise, but I'll tell you that. But I also want you to keep this in mind, that not only normal delivery is a perfect birth experience. Safety of you and your baby is the priority. Okay, so I always stand by this. Will I deliver safe or will I do normal delivery? I will go for safe delivery only, because there is nothing. It is not a success when I deliver normally and when there is a trauma to the child. Then there is no point delivering normally. So I always wish there is a safe delivery. I wish you all a very safe, a healthy, and a positive delivery. Okay. So now we'll go to the guided meditation. Okay. Now I want all of you to close your eyes. And no, I'm a bit anxious. I'm a bit excited, but then I'll take you calm. So we'll do a guided meditation. This is how the meditation will be. And also the meditation will be guided with the music. Today I couldn't pitch in music. So from Monday I will be able to do a meditation with music. So for now I'll switch off my video, and I want all of you to close your eyes and focus. I'll stop my video. I think all of you can hear me. I want all of you to close your eyes gently. Just relax Just relax. Concentrate on your body, on your mind and soul. I want all of you to concentrate on your body, mind and soul. Imagine a ball of light falling on your forehead and it's gently rolling down. Imagine it's rolling down to your face, to your chest, to your tummy, to your arms, to your thighs and to your legs. Put yourself into a complete state of relaxation. Now connect with your baby. Let's all connect with our baby. Just come inside and let's visualize a birth. Just follow my meditation. I prepare for the birth of my baby, embracing the power of birth. I embrace my baby inside my tummy and visualize the power of birth. I am at ease. I am relaxed. I am happy. I am positive and I am content. I choose calmness and positivity. I stick to a routine every day. I take care of my mind, body and my baby every day. I am at ease. Just get into the next level of relaxation. Relax yourself, calm down and just connect with your baby. Just connect with your baby. I look forward to meet my baby with calmness and joy. I look forward to meet my baby with calmness and joy. I am focused on a smooth and a comfortable birth. My contractions are beautiful and cannot be stronger than me because they are me. I am the contraction and I ease out on contraction. I enjoy the energy and power of birth. I give myself time and space I need to rest and relax. I visualize my baby turning into a perfect position. Easy birth. I trust myself for an easy birth. I am safe. I'm completely and deeply and wonderfully relaxed. I have the confidence to calmly face whatever turns my burden takes. I want a positive birth experience. When my mind relaxes, my body also relaxes. I feel calm, joyful, and confident. My baby connects with the rhythm of birth. I and my baby connect with the rhythm of birth. After every contraction, it brings my baby close to me. I deepen my relaxation. I'm totally relaxed, calm, and at peace. I want you to relax completely, focusing on the joy your baby is inside. Your baby is safe and comfortable inside. You and your baby are in a rhythm. My pregnant body looks beautiful. My hair looks lustrous and I love it. I love my baby bump and I flaunt it. I love my baby bump. I love my baby bump and I flaunt it. I embrace the power of birth. I choose calmness and positivity. I make time to connect with my baby. I am relaxed. I am content. I am positive and I am happy. I keep my baby happy and my baby keeps me happy. I feel wonderful. I feel cherished. I feel blessed. I am blessed. I send gratitude to all of them who brought luxury to my life. I thank everyone who brings a luxury to my life. I feel positive and spread positivity. I feel energized, enthusiastic, positive, calm, serene, confident, and powerful. I am a powerful soul. I thank wholeheartedly everyone who brought and bring luxury to my life. Thank you, everyone. Now, gently open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. You feel relaxed? You feel the connection with the baby? Can I hear from you in the chat box? You feel connection with the baby? Yes, okay. So now, when I was pregnant, I didn't know all this, but I was eternally happy. It was refreshing, feels good. Thank you so much for your response. So I didn't know because, as I told you, after a miscarriage and after 9 months of trying, I got pregnant. So I inevitably or unbelievably thought so good, and even I didn't know all this. I was so much connecting to my baby, and I was feeling blessed. I think most of you would be feeling blessed. I think are all of you feeling blessed being pregnant? I think it's a big yes from all of you. Are you feeling blessed being pregnant? How many of you are feeling blessed being pregnant? Yeah, definitely. I think pregnancy is a beautiful journey uh, where no women can get any time because yes, lot of yes, because I think the main reason will be the husband pampering us, right? So don't miss this, girls. This is the only time where your husband will pamper you, okay? Pamper to the extreme. They'll just feel like you're a child and they'll pamper you. Once the baby's out, things will start turning around, okay? Because I think most of you would have had replied that you have 75 to 100% 100% relationship with your husband. That will turn after having the baby, because the focus changes. There is pressure that you have to build a lot of things for your children. You have to build future for your children. Things change. So enjoy this pregnancy, okay? It's definitely absolutely blessed. Definitely. So I think there's a lot more to cover. We'll just okay. So now I think you can see the slides now. So now I've already told this. Why this is because I want every woman to be happy. Okay, because I've gone through a lot of mental trauma, I should say, because I was a very anxious person, very academic. I want to do this, I want to do that. I'm always that kind of a person. No, I was always want to go catch moon. I'm such a person. So then I thought, just be grounded, and so I want this message to reach every woman that everyone deserves to be happy. And also, why I'm why I'm talking about all this and preparing you all this is because I want you to tomorrow to safeguard our children free of verbal, physical, and sexual abuse. That's why I talk about connection. I talk about modeling, and I also talk about sex education. Okay, I talk about all this. I talk about all this, then okay, now I welcome to my community where I've just created it because of all the queries I get from you, all the FAQs I get from you, and you keep asking for more, right? Every day I get a lot of questions on my messages, on my WhatsApp. I keep replying, and as I reply, it keeps coming. So now, welcome to the Happy Moms community. So welcome you all with all my heart. So why did I design this program? Because it takes a lot of time to keep replying and all that. I squeezed all my 10 years of experience into it. And why it is paid is because I want to take it serious, implement action, and get benefit out of it. Okay. So because my parenting workshop, I'm doing it for free. I do not want to bring a cost factor for my parenting workshop because somehow I didn't feel like. So, but I made this paid because it's free. Many of them, or many of even in this group, you're not taking it serious. So I'm just putting a chart so that you'll make it serious. I'll be a message away. So if there's anything disturbing, or if you want any support, I'm always there. But calls, phone calls, even I keep talking to you, like even a few members have kept talking to you, and I'm there to support you. But see to that you're calling. If your call to me, this definitely makes a purpose. Like for example, you are having a bleeding and you are anxious that you're not able to reach someone. You want some help, you can call me. But for example, you're in a labor pain and you're calling me. I can't help, right? So I want you to respect my privacy, and please call me or please connect to me through phone call. And messages, I'm there. Phone calls only when you have an emergency. Okay, all questions will be answered. So how I'm going to take this Happy Moms community is week 1 will be live meditation. This whole meditation I'll be doing the whole week. first week. From Monday, we'll start it. And 1 week, 7 days, I'll get into to the rhythm of connection and exercise to breathe out babies. I'll bring that. And by week 2, all my modules will be ready. So you can access through Teachable or YouTube. And every week we'll have a live Q&A calls and we'll meet, and you'll be a part of a WhatsApp or Telegram or Facebook, any community you'll be. So my modules are releasing next week, next Monday, not this Monday, next Monday I'll reach it on Teachable or YouTube. And what are the modules? The module 1 is about connection. We'll mainly talk about abundance mindset, where I just want you to approach anything with the abundance mindset, talk about secret, law of attraction, abundance mindset in health, wealth, and relationship. And the audio for meditation and positive affirmation, I'll be giving you on module 1. And for the 1 week, I'll do it live. So we all do it live with the music. I'll pitch in music also from Monday. Then we'll do the audio. I'll give you the audio so that you can practice yourself from next Monday. And module 2, I'm tackling anatomy and physiology, where the main thing will be I'll talk about normal physiological events which cause panic in you. Because a lot of you ask me, vagina, I'm having vaginal discharge, I'm having bleeding, I'm having vomiting, all that, all that will be delivered. And after delivery, when you're regaining physiology, all that will be in module 2. Very important, we'll be talking about sexual health in module 3, where I'll be mainly focusing on sexual health in pregnancy and postpartum. Orgasm, we'll talk about a very important and interesting concept, orgasm in women. I don't know how many of you have orgasm during a sexual activity. Can you just put in the chat box? I don't know if all of you will be open to answer it. We'll see how conservative you are. How many of you have a good orgasm and are very satisfied with your sexual relationship? Can I have that in the chat box? Can I have it in the chat box? Hands up. Great. Great. Okay, great. Gautami says great. Good. Very good. Very. Okay. 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 Never, Anusha. Okay. No. No issues. I shouldn't say anything more. Okay. So, lol. Dr. Mancha says lol. Hands up. Great. Yes, I do. Great. Okay. So we'll be mainly talking about, because orgasm, I think women deserve orgasm. That is my philosophy. Okay. That is my philosophy. Because I think women deserve an orgasm. So we'll talk about that. I think I showed you this, right? Okay. Modules. Okay, module 3, sexual health. So we'll be talking about orgasm. So how can you get orgasm and how can you have a beautiful sexual relationship? Vaginismus, this is one paining topic. When women come to me saying vaginismus is a psychological phenomenon rather than a anatomical phenomenon. It is more of a psychological than physical. So we talk about vaginismus. Anybody of you having pain while having sexual intercourse and you're having very difficulty having sexual intercourse, we'll talk about that. We'll talk about sustainability options of menstrual cup and cloth pads. I've been using cloth pads for 2 years, and then I left cloth pads because I couldn't wash them. So now I'm a menstrual cup user for about 1.5 years. So I'll talk about menstrual cup, how to use it, how to clean, and is it sustainable, is it possible to use, and all that. Next, all this, okay, getting pregnant, understanding pregnancy, labor, delivery, and postpartum is your module 4, where we'll talk about conception, fertility, understanding 3 trimesters, interpretation of blood reports and scan. Because you asked me, my thyroid is this, what to do, my scan report is this, what to do. So all that I'll be addressing. Now, this is a wonderful module where we talk about your birth guide and your birth plan, okay, choosing gynecologist. What is your routine in pregnancy, your birth plan, your hospital package list, how to fulfill my birth plan, how can you talk to your gynecologist and get your birth plan worked out, inform what are the choices you can make and what are choices a gynecologist can make, all that. What are the normal delivery cesarean section, when, what, all that. And postpartum weight loss, challenges will be running in the group after a month. You can join the postpartum weight loss, and as a community we can grow, okay. So breastfeeding is one other wonderful topic. So I'll cover in and out about breastfeeding, take you through a seamless breastfeeding journey. And baby rearing 0 to 6 months, where we'll talk about newborn baby care, baby bath hygiene, how to handle a crying baby, growth and development, jaundice, vaccination, because many of the recent so-called social media activists are against vaccination. So I should definitely address about vaccination. Newborn baby test, cloth diapers. I used cloth diapers for both of my kids. Somehow I was not comfortable with disposables. So we'll talk about that, and how to support cognitive development in child. What really science says. Do we have to support them, or just we have to just leave them to grow as they are? Okay, we'll see that. And module 8 is get ready for parenting, where I'll be talking to you about calm, gentle, and conscious parenting, and how to prepare for parenting, how to avoid tantrums at all, keep zero tantrums, which is not really possible. But then what should we prepare ourselves? Because after my second son was born, suddenly my elder son had got tantrums. I don't know what to do. I made all the mistakes on earth. So I'll tell you what all to do to keep yourself ready. What should you do to before planning for a sibling, before planning for a second baby? How should you make yourself ready? We'll talk about that. Know inner child. What are your triggers? Triggers are very, very important. So heal and get ready. And starting solids. Here somebody asked about starting solids. So how to keep your babies eat lots of fruits and vegetables. It's all in our hands. Okay, I'll just break the myth here. Eating fruits and vegetables, children eating fruits and vegetables, in our hands. If we give them a proper schedule and give them a proper modeling, they will wonderfully eat fruits and vegetables. So we'll talk about that. So extra essence is about the special circumstances, where I'll be talking about GDM, pH, all these extra, which if you want, you can watch. Otherwise, you need not have to watch. Okay, so it is not for everybody, because I wouldn't want to scare you. If we tell all experience, and it might be scaring for you, so I don't want to scare you. I'll just if you want, if somebody is having GDM, they can come and watch this video. Otherwise, not needed. Okay. And okay, what do you think will be the charge of this whole module and whole life support, everything? How many? Can you guess the charge? Can you guess the charge? You want to guess the charge? How much would I charge? Actually, I wanted to keep it free. I don't want to charge 5K. Okay, great. Yes. Anybody else? 2K. Okay, because I've already released the released in the video, right? 2K. Okay. Anybody else want to guess? Okay, everybody says 2K because I've already told it's 2K, right? Okay. Anyways, no issues. So yes, I'm charging 1,999. I'm charging 1,999 and 1,999. I've given only 40 seats because I want to give good guidance, good support, good family. I want all of you to treat as a family. So I want to charge 1,999 and 40 seats today. You can GPay 95 You can note down if you want. I'll give you in the chat box as well. You can I'll give GPay 9500458204. Okay, valuable teachings do not want to guess. Okay, this is the GPay amount. You can transfer 2K and you can just message me on the private my WhatsApp, and I will give you a link to a group, and you can all be a part of a group, and we can take it forward. Okay, that's my plan. So I'm charging 2K. I think it's definitely like for a whole experience. I think 2,000 is very normal. That's why I put it, because I don't want to charge high, keep it high, or keep it. I don't know. I just thought I'll give for 2K. I don't know the reason. So after you make the payment, message me in WhatsApp, your name and email ID. I'll send you the group link, and we can be a part of a group. And modules will have lifetime access. And you can use the modules, Zoom Live and Q&A sessions. And if you're not satisfied, you have to fill a feedback form, and 100% money will be refunded. Okay. And refund time is 1 month after release. By 1 month, if you access everything and you find it you're not satisfied and you do not want to be a part of, or you do not like it, or you're dissatisfied, no questions asked, I'll refund the money. Now we'll take question and answers regarding the Happy Moms community. So you can go ahead with transferring the amount, and you can message me here. Done. So now we'll take the questions. So you can go ahead, pay the amount, and come back and say done here. So how many of you want to take the course? Can you send your account number and IFSC? Okay, I will send it to you. Rekha, I've noted. I will send it to you. If you don't have GPay, you can, yes, you can, I'll send you an account number. So you can I'll give you 15 more minutes time so that we'll wind up by that. So what is the duration of the course? Course is for lifetime, but for the baby, will you give printed material? For now, printed material of notes. What do you ask, Swati Lakshmi? Do you want notes of the printed material? And get you. You want, there's no print, everything will be in Teachable or YouTube, okay? Depending on how many of you, yes, about foods and solids, it will be on a YouTube, it will be on a YouTube, it will be videos, no printed materials, everything will be YouTube, everything will be on Teachable, okay? No, it is up to you. Like, I don't force yourself. You can, because by time you're finishing your delivery and it's for lifetime access. Please say about durations, life you can watch at your pace. Okay, it is a lifetime duration, and it is not that you have to watch at this period of time. It is for a lifetime access. So I think I'll. So only videos will be there, ma'am. Videos and live weekly you'll get one support you'll get. Okay, so one weekly once we'll have a live Q&A calls where we'll talk live on a Zoom call, and support group will be there. Facebook or Telegram support will be there where you can post in questions and I'll reply you. Is that okay? So you can go post there. You can go pay through GPay and you can come post your done. Rekha, I'll send you my account number and IFSC. Do you have any other questions? Mancha, thank you, great, all the best. Thank you. Can I be apart from my learning experience? Can be a part of my, can you be a part of my, I think, is it you, traditional methods you are planning to teach? Is it traditional methods? No, is it not? I'm not planning any traditional methods. It's all evidence-backed medicine. Whatever I'm teaching you are evidence-based, not traditional methods. I don't understand what you mean by traditional methods. So another 10 minutes, we'll close the call. So how many of you paid? If you're paid, you can put here done. If you're paid already, you can pay here done. And you have any other questions? Yes, please say the duration of, I'm doing with Kappa. Okay, okay, great. Maybe you can ping me. I don't understand what your question is. Shirley, you can ping me separately. Okay, I don't understand your question. Can you be a part of my learning experience, or can I be a part of a learning experience? I don't understand. You can ping me definitely. You can private message me. So I've shared the GPay. I'll share the number. I'll share it again. 9500458204. So okay. So will that cover fertility? Yes, I have a module for fertility also. I have a module for fertility and it will be covered. Okay. We got everyone infertility issues and it will be covered. I think I told you in a module, and I am covering infertility module as well. Okay. So I think okay. Yes, you can pay after the meeting is over. Somebody is messaging me. You have to ask Priya, Guha, you have to ask Priya whether the hospital has epidural facility, and then you have to go in. Okay. All these questions we'll take in the WhatsApp group. for now, another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll end the call. And I'll keep the offer open till tomorrow night, tomorrow 12 midnight, and then we'll close the group, and I'll close the WhatsApp group. So if you're wishing to connect with me and take it forward, then we'll you can message me privately and we'll take it forward. Okay. So Swati says 5, and I don't understand. Okay, we'll be for 3 more minutes and then close the call. Do you have any other questions? Do you want any other questions regarding this, all this, what I've taught you? Yes. Do you have any other questions? Share the account number. Okay, I will. You can message me. I'll share the account number and the details. So if you want to pay through different accounts, then I'll give you I'll give you different details. But for now, a GPay is open, so you can take it forward. So Guha says, Guha Rekha says all that. Okay, you can contact me. You can just message me privately, and we'll take it forward. And so another 2 more minutes will close. Do you have any other questions to ask? How much time would take from your side, ma'am? Approximately number of weeks or months? No, I'll take 1 more week to cover all the modules. So I'll be posting it 1 more week, but then by then the first 1 week will be live. The first 1 week on a comfortable time. It will be live next week. After that, I'm planning for modules which will be loaded on Teachable or YouTube. So it will take 1 week to finish all the modules. Okay. So I think the questions are over. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining. We'll now call it a day. We'll finish it off. Thank you all for joining. If you wish to be connected to me, you can message me so that we'll take it forward. Okay. Thank you all for joining. Do you have anything else to? Okay. Thank you for the wonderful session. Yes. So we'll take it forward. Okay. Send your modules in WhatsApp group to know and join. You can message me. I'll send the details. Okay. So whoever wants to join, please send. I'll send the recording as well, so you can message me. Okay. So wish you all a very happy and a peaceful pregnancy. Wish you all a safe delivery, and wish you all just have a smooth and a positive delivery. Okay. So I will call it a day. Yeah. Thank you all of you. Thank you. I'll post the recording in the group, and this will be open till tomorrow midnight, tomorrow 12 o'clock, and tomorrow we'll close the call. Okay. So thank you all of you. Bye and good night. Okay. Wish you all a very happy and a safe delivery. Bye.